This is a 2026 Sea Ray 280 SLX outboard with power tower, Mercury 250 V8s. Gorgeous boat. Sun pad, room to walk aboard at the transom, walk through, stadium seating. Twin 12-inch Simrad GPS chart plotters, dual helm seat, flip up bolsters, nice vacuum flush head system with sink. Onto the bow. Armrests. Nice freeboard. Electric windlass. There's that power tower. Come to MarineMax Kent Island and we'd be happy to show this to you.